What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today's the day. We are going to head on over to Speedzone. Frantz is getting his new coilover setup installed and getting the old BC's extreme lows taken off. We also going to be speaking with the guys at Speedzone about the Fitted Squad, basically the sponsorship. So we're going to go over that. But yeah, it's actually about to start in a few minutes, so I'm about to hit the road. Alright, so we're here at Speedzone. Homie Frantz is about to, his car's about to go in the back and start the work here. Got me over here, homie over here. Let's go take a look here. Saw him last time, but let's see, make sure you follow him. He got a little work done here. It. There we go. But yeah, he added that, and he did a muffler delete. He didn't have the spoiler before, and he did it himself. So that's what's up. Not sure who he is. Oh, guess he ain't parking. All right, here we go. We'll go over there to June's in a second, but at least we'll get him pulling off.
Oh yeah, I went to maybe even check it out. I love the thing great.
There we go. Alright, we'll go back there in a second, but yeah, it's the homie June's car. He kind of went pretty quick too. Check him out. About to head back. Import June. I love the color choice with the calipers.
You guys can get ready to
head in the back. Yeah. Definitely let me know what you guys think. It's definitely sick. Oh, and he makes his own tables. Oh yeah. Alright.
That's what it is, bro.
No more BCs.
Yep. Hey, you know this is going to be the very first Ultima here in Orlando.
I think it's probably going to be one of the first.
Yeah.
I don't know anybody who has them, actually.
No, they just came out. Hey, look, see? That's it. Look, it's Bradford right there.
Yeah. Very dope, very dope. Very dope. No rubbing. Yeah.
You know what? You don't need the part. Oh, no, no.
Man, so good. Right. Alright, so they up there. Squad showing up. Oh. What's up?
And you know why? You know why this Popup meet's gonna be good? Because not everybody is invited. Nobody's seen it.
Right.
The person you see, if I send you all day, or like you saw it at the Florida edition, you might want to know.
His own bags, I see. Or I hear. There you go. Air it out on them. Yeah. Color is perfect.
I might be working.
We got June out here working. I'll definitely throw a link to his Instagram and YouTube down below, so definitely check him out. It's the squad here showing up for support. Definitely dope. That color is just sick, and it's bagged like crazy.
Is that right?
That's exactly. Don't stop. Don't stop for nobody. Make sure you follow him. There we go.
Alright, Sean, better be working. No more. You listen to this motherfucker?
Aired up to get that. Mm-hmm. You should follow him as well.
So tell me how the guy sends me a video of the Altima, and the first thing he's doing is freaking revenue.
Look at
Smoke
this.
coming out the pipes. Yo, I didn't even reply to the dude. I'm good, bro. I didn't even reply.
Details. So
Yo, I
dope.
got a couple of dollars in my car. Like, my motor clean.
Alright, so we got some more of the squad showing up. It just got finished raining. First time he made it to the video.
That chrome, man.
Right. That banner sets it off too. Yeah, here. Of course, every time she comes from Tampa, it rains on her. But yeah, that finally good to meet him and see his car in person. Been seeing the car online for so long. Alright, so I'm gonna have to rearrange my car to get lined up with everybody. Yeah. But homie Tampa Life showed up. First time meeting him in person too.
Don't leave me. Take me with you.
Dang. I would love those wheels. That setup was sick. He gave me the key. Oh, some weight to the trunk too. Now that's sick.
Oh, shit.
Very sick. Aired out. Where's Akeem at? See somebody else bagged. Of course, you got the roof blacked out. She got the roof blacked out as well. It's very sick.
I like the hardline though.
Mm-hmm. Got
Yeah, that hardline is hot.
Hard.
Oh yeah.
You got dampening up top. So this dampening on this car is at the bottom. You see right there, it says hard, it's soft. So what you do is this is going to be bolted up on the top. When you spin this, it gives you the dampening.
Oh, nice. Nice. Real easy.
That's crazy.
Okay. It's a pretty dope setup.
Yes, put him in.
We ready. Airing out on them. Those colors. Both of them bagged. They go to BC's. Japan.
Cause my 94 Chevy Blazer had pipes like that coming out.
Alright, so June came back. Pretty good.
Wait for it on coilovers or what?
Yeah. He was already on coils, it's a different set. Excuse me. Oh, blocks in the front.
Waiting. Not yet.
Yeah.
It's not fully on the ground.
Yeah. Not quite.
It was like Christmas, man. It went, oh shit, no more. I bought to me.
Alright. Let's see. Yeah.
That's it.
We'll compress some more.
Compress it now.
Oh, hold up. Oh, he's jacking it up. I was like, hold on, I'm looking lower. All right, he's about to pull out. What is it? Still was expecting that sharpness. Guess it's been off for a few hours. That is lower. That is definitely lower. And he got that camera on it too on the front.
Go for a ride. I gotta head out.
Oh yeah. Alright. So we going on a quick little test drive. See, hopefully we're on straight with 3 people in here. That mirror is nice too. See the reflection. Yep. It's not bouncing like crazy. Here go the real test. Might have to go to the right. This is a dip. I wonder how it'll be when it's just you driving though, because it won't be waiting in the back. Got me plus the core loads back there. All right, for the squad. So, want to go ahead and talk about the sponsorship. Basically, if you're interested in being part of the Fit Squad and sponsored with Speedzone, in the comment section below, type your name and an email address. That way we can get you added to the list to be included with Speedzone's Fit Squad discounts. It's not a set discount, just because they deal with so many different manufacturers and they have their ones that they have deals with. So basically what it'll be is you'll kind of contact them and let them know that you're part of the Fitted Squad, and when they have your email and they put that in, they'll be able to say yes you are and tell you what the discount would be for whatever that you need. It's for services as well as merchandise that you want to get. What we're doing is we're going to be having their banners, because we'll have their banners on. Don't have to be a full banner, it could be just a sticker for Speedzone. Now if you're definitely interested, go ahead and put your name as well as your email so we can get you on the list. But here's an example of one of them. It's another. So they got a few different styles and designs. But yeah, definitely keep me posted in the comment section if you want to be included, and we'll kind of go from there. I'll probably make another separate video because this might be a little later in the video, so we might not have everybody see this, but we'll definitely go ahead and do that for you. But probably about to get something to eat for I don't know how much more I'm going to be recording. We might go out afterwards. We're gonna eat at the shop, but after that we might go for a cruise, depending on if the weather holds up right or not. But we'll see. If not, I'll close out the video once we're done. Talk about that service. The homies who actually coated his wheels, getting the whole car right now. So he definitely needed it. He ain't the only one though. Alright, here we go.
Wheels though.
Yep.
Okay, that's some G35 wheels.
Pretty dope.
What kind of front splitter do he got?
Carbon fiber.
See, I'm thinking about getting one like this.
Yeah.
It's like a 3-piece, but he got the...
Pretty dope. I just got the coilovers from Frantz. Actually, yeah, there they go. No room.
I don't even know how you drive it.
Sound pretty good.
What kind of rotors you got on there?
Drilled and slotted. I don't know the specific brand. My warranty ended, my basic warranty ended in October 30th.
Looking good.
Yeah, he's squatting. He's squatting. Keep that front fender though.
Yeah. Alright, so that's pretty much gonna end it for this video. Got a crazy amount of footage. Gonna end it here. We might still hang out some more. If we do, it'll be another video. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.